Hi friends, this is Nirmal Patel from Akshar Education, and in this video friends, we are going to solve one challenging maths question. So the maths question is, if AA plus BB plus CC equal to ABC, and there are two conditions guys, my A, B and C are positive numbers and A, B and C are different numbers. So what are the possible values of A, B and C? Have a look guys. AA plus BB plus CC equal to ABC, and you're going to figure out the values of A, B and C. Just pause the video guys, give it a go, and let's see if you get the answer. If you get the answer, put in the comment guys. Otherwise, watch the entire video and see the wonderful solution guys. Now friends, we will try to solve this amazing maths question. Very first thing my friend, we are just going to focus on one letter, which is A. Let us think about what can be the possible values of A. Can it be 4, 5, 6 or what? So for that guys, I want to tell you one thing. Let's say A, B and C. A guys. So let us say my biggest value, if I'm taking, my biggest possible value is, it can be 9. So it can be like, let us say 99. Let us say if I'm taking my B as the biggest possible value, it must be 8. Because 9 I have also already considered, it cannot repeat, so it must be different. So it can be 88. And C then in that case, biggest possible thing, it can be 77. Yeah, so let us say when you're taking ABC, you can't take the bigger values than 99, 88, 77. That's not matter. If you're taking this 88, this 99, fine. But then addition, guys, just think about it. If I'm going to add these three numbers, if this is 100, 100 and 100, then that is going to be 300. If they all are 100, that's 300. But the all numbers are less than 100. So the addition must be less than 100. Are you getting my point? Yeah. If I add them up, it must be less than 100. Sorry, less than 300. So this number, the last number, it cannot be 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. This can't be possible, guys. It can't be 300, 400, 500, 600. It can be only 100 or 200. So the only possible for this value A can be, it can be 100 or 200. So 1 or 2 are the only possible numbers, because these numbers, if I'm adding up, then it can never reach to 300. So 3 or bigger number than 3 cannot come. Only 1 or 2. So let us say two conditions. Now condition number 1, possible conditions, and condition number 2. That's both we are going to consider, guys. So in condition number 1, where my A can be 1, so then AA, it can be 1 and 1. And in case if my A is 2, then it can be 2 and 2. Are you guys clear about A first? For A, it can be 1, it can be 2. What is the correct answer? We'll see that later as well. But from the first condition, that is very clear. Now the second thing, guys, have a look in this first column, guys. This is A plus B plus C equal to C. Is it giving us some hint, guys? When I'm plussing A plus B plus C, it's coming C. So that C is coming as it is here. That C is coming as it is. When can that happen? It can only happen if my A plus B is 10, is it not? Because if it is 10, then my unit digit is going to be 0. So 0 plus C is going to be C. I'm just giving you one example. Let us say, if you take like, let us say A is like a 4, B is like a 6, and then C. So if I'm adding them up, what happens? 4 plus 6 is 10. And C, I'm just taking one another value. Let us say 5 for your understanding. But that is your C. Just to understand, yeah? So 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. So you just put down 5 here, only 1 go as a carry. So can you see that number is matching C. So when is it that possible? Only if I'm taking, this is 4 plus 6, or any two numbers. I can take 2 and 8 as well. Let us say if I take this number as 2 and then 8, that is fine as well, because 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 5 15, still I get 5. But guys, is there a possibility I can take any other number, like okay, like 6? Does it work? Then 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 5, I cannot get it 5. So this number and this number must be adding it to 10. That's the second condition. So my A value plus my B value is going to be 10. In this first condition, guys, what is my A value? My A value is 1. So A value is 1. So my B should be coming 9. So 1 plus 9 equal to 10. So in this condition, guys, B is 9. So it can come 9 and 9. This is good, guys, yeah? And if my A is 2, then 2 plus 8 makes 10. So then it can be 8 and 8. All right. Now, what is the C? We don't know yet, guys. So I'm going to write it as it is, guys. Let's say this is C and this is C. Okay. And then what is the answer? Our answer should be A, B, and C. In our first condition, guys, what is the value of A? That's 1, is it not? So 1 I'm going to put down here. What is the value of B? 9. So 9 I'm going to put down here. And this value C, we did not figure out yet. But next thing we will try to figure out, guys. And then we will see, is our condition 1 correct or 2 correct, guys? All right. And let us say here, if this is C and C, then that should be A, B, C. My A in this case is 2, B is 8, and C is C. Now, guys, we will just try to see which condition looks good. So this one looks good or that one looks good. Okay. So how we can check it is, let us say if we add them up, 99 plus 11. 99 plus 1 is 100. 100 plus 10 is 110. So I'm just doing in a horizontal way, guys. 110 plus this CC. This is should be equal to 19C. 1, 9, and C. In this case, yeah. And if we are considering this one, it should be 88 plus 22. So 88 plus 2, which is 90. 90 plus 20, which is 110. So 110 plus CC equal to 28C. One of the condition is going to be right one, guys. One of the condition is wrong. Once we find out our correct condition, then we will have the values of A, B, and C, guys. Well, now, guys, let us say this is one number, this is another number, and they both are equal. When can I have my two numbers equal, guys? Let us say I'm going to show you here, like 265 equal to 265, which makes sense, yeah? Well, in this case, you see, this is my unit digit. So my unit digit must be matching with the unit digit. My tens digit must be matching with my tens digit, and my hundredths digit should also be matching. Can I have it like, okay, 275 and then let us say 375 equal? We can't have, can you see? Because unit digit matching, tens digit matching, but hundred digit not matching. So if they are equal number like this, then every digit, like unit digit, tens digit, 100 digits should be matching, must be matching. So here in this case, you can see, guys, this C plus 0, that's a unit digit, and that is C. So that is, yeah, C plus 0 equal to C. That is understandable. That's fine. So we are going to focus on the tens digit. Hey, what is the tens digit here? My tens digit here is C. Is it not, guys? Tens digit is C. What is the tens digit here? 1. So the together C and 1, so together it's going to be, tens digit is going to be 1 plus C. That's my tens digit, tens digit, I'm adding, because you can see like unit digit we add up, tens digit we add up, yeah? So this is tens digit, and then this is the tens digit here, which is going to be 9, tens digit here. So in this case, 1 plus C equal to 9. So what is my C value? C value is 9 minus 1, so C value is 8. Whether it is a right or not, we are just going to see in a minute, guys. But also we'll do the same process here. Let us say, what is the tens digit here? C. What is the tens digit here? 1. If we add them up, this is going to be 1 plus C. And the tens digit on the right hand side is 8. So it should be matching with your 8. So in this case, C should be 8 minus 1. So C should be 7. So now we do have C values for both the conditions. Definitely both conditions are not correct, but one of them is going to be correct, guys. Now let us see. So I'm going to put down this C value back here, and I'll say which one is matching. So 110. So 110 plus. Let us say in this case, my C is coming 8. So C is 88. So this is going to be 88 equal to, this is 19, and my C is 8. So 198. Is this working good, guys? 110 plus 88. Is it 198? Yeah, it is actually. Is it not? 110 plus 80, 190. 190 plus 8 is 198. So 198 equal to 198. So this is the correct condition. If you check here, guys, we'll get that wrong. We'll see. Look. So 110. Yeah. Plus, what is my C? 7. So that CC is going to be 77. And that should be equal to 28. And my C value is 7. So let us see, guys. 110 plus 77. That is 187. That is not equal to 287. Can you see? So that's not equal to 287. So this condition is not correct. So we correctly got our condition. So that is matching. And my C value here is 88. So we can see I have put down 8 here and 8 here. And we are getting our answer correct. So my A value, guys, is 1. My B value is 9. And my C value is 8. If I just do that, guys, yeah, my C value is 8. So if I do get that, and then we can see our AA plus BB plus CC equal to ABC. This condition is satisfied. I hope you guys enjoy this wonderful maths problem. And if you really like the video, guys, share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video, guys. Bye.